Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where it's all about unboxing the trendiest gadgets. Today, I'm beyond excited to share with you the unboxing experience of the highly anticipated iQOO Z8, a smartphone that's been making waves in the gaming community. Hold on to your seats, as we dive into the uncharted territory of gaming with this astonishing device. The moment I held the iQOO Z8 in my hands, I was captivated by its slim and ergonomic design. The smooth edges and premium build quality make it comfortable to hold during extended gaming sessions. The vibrant, bezel-less display measuring 6.64-inch IPS Full HD Plus, 2400 by 1080 pixels, LCD display. The iQOO Z8 and iQOO Z8X come with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and an aspect ratio of 19:9. Leaves me in awe, providing immersive visuals that bring games and multimedia content to life. Now, let's talk performance, shall we? The iQOO Z8 leaves no room for compromise when it comes to delivering a seamless gaming experience. The iQOO Z8 is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8200 SoC, while the iQOO Z8X comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset. His beast is built to handle even the most demanding games without breaking a sweat. Say goodbye to lag and hello to uninterrupted gaming pleasure. Now, let's shift gears and explore the camera prowess of the iQOO Z8. Because it's not just about gaming. The dual rear camera unit of the iQOO Z8 includes a 64-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor. The iQOO Z8X, on the other hand, features a 50-megapixel primary sensor with WAS support and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, the iQOO Z8 is equipped with a 16-megapixel camera, while the iQOO Z8X has an 8-megapixel sensor. Battery life and connectivity. iQOO Z8 packs a 5000 mAh battery with 120 watts wired ultra-flash charging support, while the iQOO Z8X is backed by a larger 6000 mAh battery with 44 watts wired flash charging support. They also support 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5.3, GPS, and USB Type-C connectivity. The handsets also have a 3.5mm audio jack. So, if you're a gamer, a photography enthusiast, or someone who simply craves the best in mobile technology, the iQOO Z8 should definitely be on your radar. Thank you all for joining me on this epic unboxing journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more exciting content like this. Until next time, stay tech savvy and embrace the gaming revolution with the iQOO Z8.